New here at 5, frontline nurses across the country are demanding action. With a spike in COVID cases, nurses want more PPE, better contact tracing, and they are pleading with the public for your help.
ABC Action News reporter Mary O'Connell breaks down what nurses say they need and how Bay Area hospitals are prepared for a surge in cases.
Some nurses hope to turn a page in this pandemic. Today, the union National Nurses United shared their concerns as the pandemic heads into another month.
I don't know how much longer we are going to be able to hold this.
Some nurses explain they're still fighting for safe staffing and optimal PPE. They say they're pushing for proper infection control measures, too.
This includes not mixing COVID positive and COVID negative patients together or patients who are under investigation. It includes testing all staff and patients, contact tracing.
In the beginning, of course, everyone was dealing with PPE issues. But I feel like the hospitals in general really pulled together and were able to supply all of those proper gear to the nurses. But as far as staffing, it's tough.
Nicole Borowski is a Bay Area float nurse who's worked with COVID-19 patients. She thinks hospitals are better prepared now than they were before. Borowski also says educating nurses who don't deal with COVID patients often is important.
Going into this season, we're just looking for nurses to be able to take care of themselves, to be healthy.
We reached out to local hospitals on their readiness for a surge in COVID cases. Advent Health told us they have sufficient PPE, ventilators, and specialized equipment available. Baycare says it has capacity and resources it can shift where needed to respond and help care for the community, reminding its top priority continues to remain the health and safety of team members, patients, and the community. Now nurses ask the public to do its part to slow the spread too.
Please, please, please wash your hands, wear a mask. I'd rather be 6 feet apart than 6 feet under.
In Tampa, Mary O'Connell, ABC Action News.